Ay, dyan mo lang ilagay. Wow! Shh! Don't pull it. Look only.
Wow! Let's fix. Tata will fix.
Wow! Look in the camera.
Didi, where's Tata?
Julian, look in the mirror. Where's the mirror? Didi, look in the mirror. Look at the mirror. Look at your hat.
Wow!
Oh.
Where's Didi? Look. Wow!
Naku, baka tamaan. Are you happy, Julian? Didi, show mo kay Didi. Ah, Didi. Oh, one more time, jump, Julian. Dirty yung slide. Julian, can you jump more?
This is our first time right now. Samantala po natin, we do have a free photo booth for all of you. So kapag hindi pa po kayo nakakapagpa-picture, meron po tayong free photo booth until 10 p.m. And of course, lahat po ng orders natin tonight is 20%.
Jump, jump.